full-size SUV segment is the most competitive segment in the Indian market, especially with the arrival of the Kia Seltos and the new Creta. Now there's a new competitor, the 2020 Nissan Kicks. While the SUV has been on sale for a while now, the 2020 Nissan Kicks does look identical. What is new is the engine. The 2020 Nissan Kicks now comes powered by a 1.3-litre turbo engine which produces the segment highest 156 bhp. So how is it to drive, and is it a worthy competitor? It's time to find out.
Talking about its design, the 2020 Nissan Kicks Turbo continues to feature the blacked-out mesh grille at the front, surrounded by a thick strip of chrome all around. The front grille is further flanked on either side by large swept-back headlamps with projector units and integrated DRLs. The front bumper below houses the large central air dam with the fog lamps and cornering lights on either side. The bottom part of the bumper comes finished in black cladding, while also featuring silver-finished skid plates as well. Large wheel arches house the large and stylish-looking 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels. The side profile is also characterized by the dual-tone paint scheme, blacked-out C-pillar and the silver-finished roof rails. There are also the large wraparound tail lights and a thick chrome strip just above the number plate. The rear bumper also comes with the black cladding and also features the silver-finished skid plate along with reflectors on each end.
The interiors of the 2020 Nissan Kicks is a pretty comfortable place to be in. The car comes with a dual-tone dashboard finished with a leather material. The steering wheel itself is chunky and offers mounted controls. The Kicks offers a semi-digital instrument cluster with a digital speedometer. At the center is an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity. Below that is the climate control system. The Nissan Kicks also comes with a USB port and a 12-volt charging socket. The seats themselves are comfortable and come wrapped in leather upholstery. However, there is no electronic adjust. One has to manually adjust for the right seating position. The rear seats on the Nissan Kicks are also pretty comfortable. There's plenty of legroom and headroom. The rear seats also come with a foldable central armrest which makes it extremely comfortable for 4 passengers. There's also enough cubby spaces for your water bottles. The Nissan Kicks also comes with rear AC vents. The rear seats on the Nissan Kicks are pretty comfortable, especially on long drives. All these features make the rear seats a pretty comfortable place to be in.
The 2020 Nissan Kicks also offers its customers the largest boot with 500 liters of luggage space. The rear seats can further be folded down to extend this space, although there is no 60/40 split as seen on most of its competitors. Coming to the heart of the matter, the engine. The 2020 Nissan Kicks SUV now comes powered by a new BS6 compliant 1.3-litre turbo-petrol engine producing segment's highest power and torque figures of 156 brake horsepower and 354 Nm of peak torque. The SUV we had for test came with a 6-speed manual gearbox, although there is an optional CVT automatic transmission on offer as well. The engine does take a while to bring in the 156 brake horsepower of power with a clearly noticeable turbo lag right until the 1750 RPM mark. However, past this and there is a huge surge in power all the way to the 6000 RPM mark. The power in the mid-range is thus excellent and available on tap at all times. This makes overtaking a breeze as the SUV pulls through quickly and easily without the need to downshift. This makes the Nissan Kicks an extremely fun to drive car out on the highway, where the mid-range can easily be maintained. Enter the hustle and bustle of city roads and the Nissan Kicks does seem to start struggling. To add to this, the clutch mechanism on the SUV is a bit too heavy, while low-speed gear shift are a bit chunky as well. The feedback from the steering wheel is good, though, and it allows the SUV to be thrown into corners. It also weighs up nicely, which further gives confidence while changing directions in a hurry.
So there you have it. The 2020 Nissan Kicks does deliver on its promise of being high on performance and still managing to undercut its competitors on pricing as well. While there are a few rough edges, the 2020 Nissan Kicks does come across as a worthy alternate to its competition. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. I'm Rahul Nagraj, and until next time.